Good morning, kids. This video is for class 2 and the subject is GK and it is your part 2. In first part, we have learned lesson number 1 and 2. Now, we are going to start lesson number 3. Okay. When you open your book, GK book, in lesson number 3, you can see this one. It is your natural and man-made. Okay, in EVS also you have learned this topic. Again I am going to explain this topic in this chapter by this video. In natural things, the things which are given by the God, or the things which are made by God is called natural things, and the things which are made by human being is called man-made things. Okay, so I'm going to make a column. Okay, in first column I am writing here natural things, and in another column I am writing here man-made. Okay, if you look around you, then you can see so many things which are natural things and which you can tell that it is man-made things, which is made by the human beings. Okay, so in first we will talk about the natural things. In natural, the things which are made by God. So we can write here trees. Trees are made by God. In next we can write here then we can write here river. Okay, in next in natural column we can write here animals. Animals. Then we can again write here the sun. We can write here moon, the moon. Okay, again we can write here, if so many things are there, we can write here grass. So these are made by our God. Beside all these things, there are so many things which comes under this natural column. If we talk about the man-made things, in man-made things, the things which are made by the human beings. So human beings, we can say chair, we can take the name table, we can take the name houses, then we can take the name road. We can again write in number 5, we can write there the vehicle, or we can write here the car. Then here we can write here your book. Books are also made by human beings, so we can keep the name of book. It is under this column, man-made column. So these are the things, or beside these so many things are there. If you look around you, so many things you can got. When you look at in your book, then you can see there is a picture. It is a picture where the boy is sitting, the pets are there, animals are there, vehicles, so many things you can see. You have to identify which are the man-made and which are the natural things. Here you can see in natural and man-made, two columns are given here. You have to find out which are the natural things and which are the man-made things. Okay, so in this one, if you look at in your book, then I can give you the answer. In natural column what you can write, and in man-made column what you can write. Okay, so first when you look at in your book, in this picture, then you can see the boy. Boy is natural things. Boy comes under this natural column. The lady, the woman, she comes under the natural things. The dog, the cat. So in natural things we can write here boy. You can write in your book boy. Then here we can write woman. Then again we can write here dog, cat. If any other things, if you the birds are also comes under this natural things. Then you can see the trees are there. Then you can see the sun is also comes under this natural things. Then you can see mountain is also there. If you look at in your book, then you can see the mountain. Okay, the another one you can see the grass. Then you can see the sky. 10 things are I am going to write: grass and then sky. Okay, so these are the natural things which you can write by looking at in your book. The picture is given there. And now I'm going to write the names of man-made things. In man-made things, if you look at in your book, then you can take the name bench. Okay, in number 2, house. Okay, in number 3, car. Then in number 4, aeroplane. Okay, in number 5, we can write the name road. Okay, then you can write here in number 6, swing. Okay, the any other thing which are the man-made? No. So these things are man-made. You can say it is a man-made. These are the man-made things and these are the natural things. Okay, so this is all about your lesson number 3. Understood? Now you turn your book. Now we are going to move in next chapter. It is your lesson number 4. In lesson number 4, if you look at in your book, then you can see it is a insect. It is about insect. Lesson number 4 is about insect. So many insects you can see at your home, and in those insects we can take the name the housefly, the bees, the ants, and any other insects. Some insects are given here by explaining them in books. You can see insects have been on this planet for 400 millions years ago, and we can see it in our environment, in all of around all of us. It is your lesson number 4. It is about insect. Okay, the first one, look at the picture. The clue is given there. You have to identify the name of that particular insect. Number 1, makes honey from the nectar of flowers. Which insect is making honey? Okay, it is bee. You can also write honey bee. Okay, in number 2, the clue is given. The bite of this insect spreads malaria. Which insect is responsible for spreading malaria? We can write the name mosquito. Okay, in number 3, look at the picture. Works very hard. Which insect is working very hard? You can write here ant. Okay, number 4. Number 4 is a gardener's best friend. Which insect is this? Ladybird. Okay, number 5. Lives in dark corners in our homes. It is cockroach. Number 6. has bright wings. What is that? Butterfly. Turn your page. Number 7. Number 7 is there. It is spreads disease germs. Which is this? Housefly. Number 8. Looks green like the grass. What is the name of this insect? It is grasshopper. Okay. Number 9. Looks like a stick. Which insect is this? It is stick insect. Stick insect. Next one is lies on hair of humans and drinks blood. Which insect is this? In number 10, it lies on your hair. It is loose. Next one is number 11. Lives in beds and drinks blood of humans. It lives in your bed and also drinks your blood. Which is this? Bed bug. It is called bed bug. Next, number 12. It is the last one. Eats away wood. It is eating wood. And the name of this insect is termite. Okay, so this is all about your insect, lesson number 4, and you have to just write the name of these insects in your copy, school GK copy, and lesson number 3 and 4, it is completed. In next video, I am going to teach you lesson number 5. Thank you and have a nice day.